In our daily life, we are surrounded by portable devices. What do they have in common? They all die when we most need them. These are some of the devices we carry around. These are the cables we need to charge them. And these are the cables we remember to take with us. Okay, let's start over. These are some of the devices we carry around. And this is the cable you need to charge them. Yes, all of them. Introducing inCharge 6. inCharge 6 allows you to charge and sync USB-C, Apple, and micro USB devices from any USB port. But it doesn't stop there. Since many laptops and power banks are moving to USB-C ports, inCharge 6 features also USB-C as input. Can't find a port around you? Just steal your friend's phone. inCharge 6 supports power transfer from one phone to another, to wireless earbuds, or any other device. Need more freedom? inCharge 6 Max gives you 5 feet of mobility. It's the perfect domestic and travel cable. We've experimented with countless materials in order to make inCharge 6 the most durable keyring cable ever. inCharge 6 faces numerous tests in our factory, but we prefer doing our own, just to be sure. Okay, maybe that was too much. inCharge 6 is already manufacturing, so if you contribute today, we will ship before the end of the campaign. We are Rolling Square, a team of designers and engineers based in Switzerland. During the past few years, we have successfully delivered 4 campaigns. Back us today and get your inCharge 6 at the lowest price it will ever be.